Are you searching for best magnetic induction heater in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best magnetic induction heater in 2023. Number 1. ZASBIN 1000W Flameless Electromagnetic Mini Induction Heater. Mini induction heater application for preheat become attached or rusted fasteners and parts that need to be separate, straighten small hail and other similar dents without painting paint layer without breaking the car, removal of strip on auto body parts when you restore or straightening, burning silent blocks, pressed on beams running gear or other machinery and equipment, heat treatment of metal parts, hardening, tempering, normalizing, pressing bearings on a hot landing, as well as flowability, sniety small laminated glass sealants for metal, removing glued on painted metal spoilers, moldings, stickers. The heating of the surface of the hood or other surfaces to be coated vinyl. Removing rust from metal and car body by high-speed heating parts and flaking rust. Removing paint coating to a metal surface or body cars. Number 2. New Small High-Frequency Induction Heater. Features. This product uses magnetic induction technology to heat treat automobiles, small parts of machinery, various metal parts and polyethylene. It is mainly used to heat various automobile rusted bolts, nuts, gears, pulleys, bearings, inductors, etc. The characteristics are that there is no open flame, no need to avoid various flammable substances such as plastics, no water cooling, safe operation, simple to use, easy to carry. Number 3. 1000W Flameless Mini Induction Heater. 1000W Magnetic Induction Heater Kit, flameless heating technology, with 8 coils and aluminum alloy box, used for heating nuts, gears, bearings. Number 4. Portable Magnetic Induction Heater. Orders, 50, features, and heater is a key piece of equipment used in all forms of heating, is a handheld one with slip-resist ergonomic housing. Faster and safer than traditional torch, collateral damage normally associated with torches can also be eliminated. A bright LED light exists to light up your workload. Number 5. 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater Circuit. 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater Circuit for car repair bolt remover tools set welding equipment AC 110V/220V with 4 pieces coil, main application, manufacture, repair renovation, maintenance, and so on, heating of tools and parts before hardening, gluing, soldering. Also work pieces and parts that require heating, such as bolts, rod and profile steel, metallic sheets, bearings, cases, driving shafts, suspensions, nuts, pipes, gears, gear, spring base, shafts, machine and vehicle parts and components, exhausts, pulley boxes, bushings, etc. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.